XRP Ripple coin holders, very congrats to all XRP holders because I see a good change occur in a XRP Ripple coin, my friends. Congratulations to all XRP Ripple coin holders. Now this time, you know what, the XRP Ripple coin is going upward, and I'm feeling the jump of the XRP this time on the price chart, my friends. Unbelievable jump of the XRP are coming soon. So wait for it. In the coming soon hour, and then coming hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, the jump is ready for an XRP Ripple coin. Be ready. XRP Ripple coin holders, you are going to the moon. Anyways, before seeing the more disease, I request everyone, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now, if you look the latest price of the XRP and the market, so the latest price is 1.01 USD dollar, my friends. And this month they can easily hit 5 USD dollar, friends. That is the easily target for XRP Ripple coin, because I know in the start of June this kind of positive change continues. So I know that in the June they will take a huge pump. So that is why my target for the XRP Ripple coin is to 5 USD dollar, my friends. 5 USD dollar is my target for XRP. What's your target about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box. What is your target for XRP? Tell me. Now, if you look the price chart, so absolutely you can see the huge jumps occur in the XRP. You can see that is the huge pump. So I know that XRP Ripple coin are going to the moon. That is why I'm telling you congratulations, my friends. That is why I'm telling you congratulations. So I hope that they will continue this thing for a long time and they will give you good amount of profit. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.